Hello, in this Oculus Quest video, and this works for Quest 1 and 2, I'm going to show you how to set it up so you can actually sideload applications without the need of a PC or a mobile device, because that was another method as well. What you will need is a PC or a mobile device just to do the initial setup, because you'll install basically the SideQuest mobile app onto here, the experimental version, which will allow you to directly, and at good speed as well, to be fair, install games, applications, VR stuff onto your headset. So you will need a PC or a mobile device. I've got videos covering how to set that up on Linux, on Mac, on Windows, on Android. So feel free to check them out. There'll be a link in the description. I didn't really see the need to go over all of that in this video now, as some other people have, because at the end of the day, that's already done. If you've got that set up, you've got SideQuest already set up on your PC or on your mobile device, you're good to go. If not, I've got videos covering that. Check them out, then come back. Yeah. Okay, so as always, recommend that your headset's on the latest version. Make sure SideQuest's on the latest version to avoid any problems. I'll be using Windows. It's the same on Mac, same on Linux, same on Android once you got the setup all done. And you can go the wired or wireless route. Either one is fine. So let me launch up SideQuest. Again, I've already got it all configured, installed, and here we go. Okay, so it's not detected. That's because I haven't plugged in the cable yet. I'm going to plug in the cable. Again, you could go down the wireless route. Not a problem. I'll plug that in. And if it asks for you to confirm any permissions, like allowing headset as it is now, just, allow everything. Probably a free allow pop-ups usually. Allow USB debugging, allow access to data, and then allow USB debugging again. Okay, so now that should go green. Fantastic. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And what you want to do is search for SideQuest. So you want to search for SideQuest within SideQuest, and just go to SideQuest Mobile. And you don't want to click download app release right now. You need the experimental version. So click the drop down, and the drop down, and go to download experimental. Click continue, and it will download and start installing it. It's very small. You'll be done in a matter of seconds. All done, all good to go. That's all you need to do on your regular SideQuest side. We can disconnect this now. There we go. It's no longer connected. And what I'll do is I will cast over to the screen so you can actually see what I'm seeing. So bear with me. And should hopefully see what I'm seeing. Yes, you are. It's just a bit messed up in terms of the view. There we go. Somebody is all the way on the right, so it's just basically like picking up one eye, but that's not a problem. Yeah, I mean, it's still visible, so that is fine. And let me move myself all the way to the left so you can see this fine. Okie dokie. So, yeah, okay, here we go. So now, if you go to all your apps, and it won't appear in all, you'll have to go to the drop down, click unknown sources, and there we go, SideQuest installer. If we click that, and you can use your hand controls as well if you want to. It's a bit slow because I'm casting as well. Click allow permissions. That's fine. Just allow anything that it wants. Let's go. And that's it. As you can see, it's essentially just a mobile app. We can use either click and drag, click accept, or we can use the analog stick. I prefer the analog stick, and I should go to adventure. I want to download Discovery just because it's a very lightweight game and be quick to download and install. So I'll click it. Many games have the option to go to download app Oculus, which is the App Lab. That's obviously fine if it has that option and you can go down the App Lab route. But if it doesn't, and it only had, let's say, Sideload, for example, which one this does as well, you just click Sideload, click download, and then this will appear. You just want to confirm that. And you need to select your country of residence, so UK for me, and do your date of birth. Scroll down, and again, I'm just gonna select the date that I know there'll be more than old enough. Be like 31 there, and click close. There'll be 41 there actually, not 31, and now click download. And can't see the confirm button. Just bear with me. There we go, confirm submission. I don't know why it didn't appear before. Scroll up and down if it doesn't. There we go. If we go to downloads, as you can see, it's downloading really quickly, so that's great as well. And then after that's done, it will install it. So that's fantastic. It allows you to download apps directly onto your headset. Some people still may prefer the ease of use and the sort of user experience. So if this pops up, go to settings, go to allow from the source, click back. And if this happens, this will probably just happen the first time because you got cancelled because you was allowing from source. You just click retry. Click install. Again, if you get a few failed attempts, that's fine. You know, I've had that with apps as well, and it can happen with any app. If you prefer the desktop route, feel free to continue that route. But this is great if, let's say, you're out, you're away, you're at a friend, you're at a family house, maybe at a hotel, have your laptop or your conventional computer system, and you've only got this, you can still download and install stuff, which is fantastic. Now you go to your apps, make sure you go into unknown sources, and it'll appear right at the top. Or, if you go to A to Z, you'll be wherever it is. Click that, and boom, Discovery Lite is gonna launch now, which has been directly installed from the Oculus Quest headset via SideQuest using Sideloading. And this is just basically a Minecraft clone. I can create a new world, play world. Okay. That's literally it, to be fair. And yeah, there we go. It's a pretty decent Minecraft clone, if I'm being honest. And I will exit out of this, and that's it. You can uninstall. Ooh, knock the mic. You can uninstall as you normally would. And let me go off that. So yeah, there's not much more to it than that. That's how you sideload applications onto your Oculus Quest, Quest 1, Quest 2, using SideQuest directly on your headset. Initially, you will need a PC or an Android device, like a phone, to get it set up. But after that, you're all good to go. So really exciting stuff. There's a lot of progress made. I'll be releasing more Oculus videos. Let me know what else you would like to see. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And feel free to join the Discord group, link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.